pass the time away and talk about their home. Now there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brandy, fetch another round. She serves him whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. Such a fine girl. Well, your eyes could steal a sailor from the sea. Now Brandy, she wears a braided chain made of finest silver from the north of Spain. A locket, it bears the name of the man that Brandy loved. He came on a summer's day bringing gifts from far away, but he made it clear he couldn't stay. No harbor was his own. That sailor said, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. Such a fine girl. Well, your eyes could steal a sailor from the sea. Hey, Brandy used to watch his eyes as he told his sailor story. She could feel the oceans fall and rise. She saw its raging glory. But he had always told the truth. Yes, he was an honest man. And Brandy does her best to understand. At night, when the bars close down, Brandy walks through a silent town. She loves a man who's not around. She still can hear him say, she hears him say, Brandy,